Hello children, good morning. Welcome to your online dance class. Children, first of all, thank you so much for the videos. It makes me really happy to see that you are practicing. Each one of you is practicing really well, and I can see your improvement. So children, today onwards, we'll be learning dance in a new pattern. So every dance class, I'm going to teach you 4 steps. Yes, I will be teaching you 4 steps. We will learn 4 steps and then we will do it in a music. So later at home, you can practice those steps again in the music, and you can even try to do them in a different music also, in different song also. This way you will not just learn the steps, but you will also be able to use them in different songs, in different choreographies. Yes, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. So children, since we are doing a semi-classical routine, I will be teaching you steps which are very common in semi-classical dance. We use them very often. So the first thing which we are going to learn is the half sit position. Yes, this position. So you're not straight and you're not sitting completely. Okay, this is the half sitting position, this way. I think you have seen this in different classical dances. For example, in Bharatnatyam, in Kshatriya, yes, different dances, they call it by different names. This is the half sitting position. In Bharatnatyam, we call it as Aramandi, and in Kshatriya, we call it as Ura. Okay, so we will do it like this. Just keep your legs this way. So it's like this, right? This way, half sitting position, and then we'll do the steps. 1, 2. Just hit your legs. Okay, see. You're standing this way, and then you take the half sitting position, half sit, and then we just hit the legs. Okay, so 1, 2, right? This is the step. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to do it in the sitting position. Don't stand. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try doing this throughout the week. If you practice it every day, I'm very sure you will be able to do this position. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, very good. This is the position. So this is step number 1. Okay? Now step number 2 which you'll be doing is same position, just you have to open your legs and close it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your legs this way and close it. Then again open your legs, close it. Open, close. Open, close. Right? One more thing I'll tell here. When you are doing this step, please remember how to place your legs. Okay, see, you are sitting this way in the half position. Now from here, what you're going to do, 1, you will raise your leg this way, then 2, right, then 3, 4. Same way when you're doing step number 1, same way. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to raise your legs. You need to raise your legs. Okay, so let's do step number 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is step number 1. Now step number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is step number 2. Now we are going to mix both these steps together, and we are going to make step number 3. Okay, 1 and 2 will mix together. So how we will do it? See, first we will do step number 1, 1, 2. Then step number 2, 3, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is step number 3, right? Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3 again. Step number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done? That is step number 3. Next, let us do step number 4. Now, in step number 4, what we will do is, we will move towards the sides. Okay, so first we will move towards the right side. We're standing this way, then we'll take the half step position. 1, 2. The left leg goes behind. Okay, again. 1, 2. Now from here we will do step number 2. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically in step number 4, when we do it this way, right leg, then left leg, then the leg which is behind, I mean the left leg, we will open it this way and we will close it. Right? Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these were the 4 steps which I taught you. Now please remember, I have only showed you the leg movements. I haven't shown you the hand movements till now. Hand movements we will do in the next class, because if I teach you hand and legs both today together, you won't be able to understand anything. So I'll be showing you only leg movements today. Okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 together again. Step number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So now let us try to do these steps in a music. Okay? Let's try to do it in a music. So children, this was the routine that we did today. I taught you 4 steps, 4 basic steps that are very commonly used in semi-classical dance. So do practice them well. Yes, they are not easy. I accept that. They are not really very easy. But if you practice regularly for at least a week, I'm very sure you'll be able to do it. So this week I showed you the leg movements. Next week I'm going to show you the hand movements, and we are going to do legs and hands together. Okay, so everyone do practice well, do practice really well, and yes, keep practicing, keep dancing, and keep smiling. Thank you.